Hello everyone, happy new month and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today you are going to be learning on how to draft and sew a shirt collar. So you need your collar stay for this tutorial, and I'm drafting directly on my collar stay. So I first of all mark a straight line which serves as my starting line. Then from there, I already measure my round neck from my shirt, and whatever you have there, you're going to be dividing it into two because your collar stay is going to be folded into two. So from that point, you're going to come up by 1.25 from your tape rule. Then I'm just trying to get a straight line, so I'm taking the same thing on the middle part and on the edge part as well. So after making sure the measurements are accurate, I'm going to take my ruler and connect with a straight line like so. Make sure the line is straight. So after doing that, I'm going to be coming in by half inches from the edge like so, and I'm curving it down to the 9.25 that we marked there. So next I'm going to come in by 1 inches, and I'm going to go up by 2.5. You can do more than that, you can do 3, or you can do less than that, which is you can use 2, but I prefer to use 2.5. Then from the center part, which is the folded part, I'll be marking 1.5 there. That's how low I want the center to be. So I won't be using my straight ruler to connect that because I don't want it to just be straight slant. So I want the part to be a little bit curvy. So I'm just using my ruler like so. You can see the shape. Then from there I will come out by 0.5 inches from the edge like so, and I will connect that line to meet the 0.5 inches. Then after connecting that, I'm connecting it back into the 1 inches we measured before. The reason is that because this collar is going to, the edge is going to be pointy, so that is why I come out by 0.5 inches. Then next thing is to cut them out. Watch how I'm cutting it, because you have to watch carefully. I will be cutting both out first before separating the collar stand and the collar. So I've cut it out now, and I'm going to cut out the collar stand from the collar like so. So I hope you understand. This is a simple drafting of a shirt collar, and I always love the outcome of this. So next thing now, I've already went ahead to gum my stay with my fabric, and you can see I cut the collar stand into 2, and for the collar I also cut it in 2. Then next thing now is going to my sewing machine to join them together. So I'm going to stitch through the lines I'm using my hand to demonstrate. Then I'm going to come back. So I'm done stitching now. Now let's trim out the excess at the side and the upper part, because you are going to stitch close to your stay. You won't leave any allowance on the up, so you're going to cut it out. And for the down, you see that I left half an inches for the down, both the collar stand and the collar. So I'm just trimming out the excess fabric before turning it out. So after trimming it out, I'm going to be turning them out now. Please make sure you turn it out. When you're turning it out, use your scissors or any sharp object to push out the pointy side so that that place will be pointy. So make sure you turn it out neatly, and after turning it I will use my iron to press it like so. So before doing that, I will demonstrate how you're going to join the collar stand and the collar together now. So to join them together, you're going to fold your collar stand into two, and you're going to be notching the middle part. You're going to be notching the middle part, and also you're still going to take your collar stand and you're going to do the same thing both for the two pieces like you cut out. So I'm going to be folding them into two equal parts and notching the center part. The center part I'm notching now is from where the collar and the collar stand are going to be joining together. I hope you understand that. So I notch the collar stand now and the collar stay. So next thing now, I'm going to be placing the collar stand at the middle of the two collar, the collar at the middle of the two collar stand like so. Watch carefully what I'm doing, please. So you're going to connect it. You're going to go to your sewing machine and join it together like so, like I demonstrated. Make sure that you are sewing through that half stitches, you do not leave any excess. So by the time you finish sewing, I'm going to bring it back to show you. So I'm done joining both collar stand and the collar together now, and this is what it looks like. And I've went ahead to fold in the down part with my iron. If you want to stitch down, you can stitch it down. So I'm taking my shirt now and I'm going to be folding it into two equal parts to get the middle part. So I'm going to be taking a notch at the middle part, and also for my collar too, I'm going to be doing the same. So I'm done notching the shirt, and for the collar, the one part I'm going to be taking one part from the collar stand, and I'm going to be joining it to the shirt first. Then after that, I'm going to be using the second part to cover it up. So this is me trying to get the mid part for the collar before placing it on my shirt. So that is why it is very important for you to sew your shirt first before you cut out your collar for your shirt, to get the accurate measurement of the shirt neckline. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm going to be joining it like so. So after joining it, I will take the other part and place it on top and top stitch it on top and sew it through. So I'm going to be doing that and bring it back to show you. So this is what it looks like after fixing everything together. I'll be dropping the tutorial on how to make this shirt in my next video. Turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I make the post. Bye.